When we engineered the new AXA Globe and Trelock Wise, our goal wasn't just to create a light, but to solve real-world challenges for bike manufacturers. Legislation of bicycle lights in France and Germany has changed significantly. We've worked ahead of these updates to ensure these lights are fully compliant. By specifying Globe or Wise, you are future-proofing your bike models against evolving European standards. A key focus in our development is aligning with the latest European regulation framework, including the new machinery regulation. This goes beyond product performance. It covers EMC and overall product safety, as well as system requirements. Of course, material regulations like REACH and WOS are ensured and tested in external labs. We've taken a holistic approach from the very beginning, ensuring our solutions are designed to meet these evolving standards. This allows our partners to bring products to market faster with full confidence in their compliance across Europe. We also address the SKU explosion. Thanks to our new universal cable connector, you no longer need unique part numbers for every cable length or motor type. One light works with your entire cable tree, significantly lowering your stock levels and simplifying procurement. This modularity is also a win for the aftermarket. It makes repairability and service much faster for dealers. If a cable is damaged, you replace the cable, not the whole light. It's a more sustainable, cost-efficient approach. European engineering excellence, French production, and a design that makes your life easier. That's the AXA Globe and Trelock Wise.